Next, let's do the Uwehe. So this is it. You lift one foot, put it down, puff. In more traditional songs, you would puff your knees out. More modern songs, because when the missionaries came to Hawaii, they decided to cover up the women and the men, put these huge outfits on them called mu'umu'us, or just really big things on them. You couldn't see their shape anymore, which is why in the traditional dances, women would puff their knees out more, make bigger uwehes, because otherwise you couldn't see them. But then afterwards, with King Kalakaua, when the King of Hawaii became more in love with the British culture, he started having the women dress in more form-fitted dresses. That's when the awana style was born. So they would gently puff their knees at like a 45-degree angle instead of out. So lift, down, puff. Switch and add hips. This is normal hand position. I sway my hips more than a lot of people. You could not sway your hips at all. Why would you want to do that? That's not pretty. This is pretty. So I like to sway my hips. I suggest you do the same. Just keep practicing. Good job. That's the Uwehe.